Good morning. So we got done planting yesterday, turned around, started packing these stalks. A little windy out, but I thought I'd show you the old 315 IH packer, Pulte packer, and let you see what we're doing. Get the old Magnum going. And there's what's happening. So we smash these stalks down. It makes it a lot easier to harvest in the fall, and if you get them put into the on the ground, they'll deteriorate a little bit better. And it makes a nice shady mat for the weed seeds to not get sunlight. So there you go. Have a nice day.